Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the clip's true frame rate and whether it uses variable frame rate. This matters because retiming tools rely on consistent timing. Once you know the source, transcode any VFR footage to a constant frame rate like 24, 30, or 60 FPS so frames map predictably. Then make sure your project timeline matches that chosen frame rate. Otherwise, speed changes will produce unintended slow motion or judder. This step prevents artifacts and saves time later. Now you act on the spike area. Select the clip segment and remove any existing speed ramps, then apply a single, uniform speed percentage to restore normal timing. Next, change the retime interpolation. Use frame blending for subtle movement or motion estimation when you need smoothness. If motion is extreme and motion estimation creates warping, switch to nearest frame sampling or reduce the adjustment. Make sure to preview at full quality, because these choices affect how natural the corrected action looks. Finish by rendering a short, high-quality preview of the corrected spike so you can judge real playback. If you still see slow motion or stutter, confirm original timecodes and remove hidden retime keyframes that can reintroduce slow parts. As a last resort, replace problematic frames manually, insert neighboring frames, or use a subtle crossfade to hide the jump. If artifacts appear after export, reopen the source, repeat the uniform speed step, and use a different interpolation method. That usually resolves remaining issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.